In this guide, I'll show you how to change your PlayStation Network name using the PlayStation app. So sign into your PlayStation Network account on the app, and then select the settings cogwheel in the top right corner, and scroll down to where it says PlayStation and select your information. Now select the three lines in the top left corner and scroll down, and select Profile under PlayStation. So here's where you're going to see your online ID, and select Edit beside it, and then it's going to provide some important information you can read, or you can simply scroll through and select Continue at the bottom. So here's where you'll have the option to change your online ID, so you can enter in a unique name to see if it's available, or you can use one of the suggestions below and check the availability. So after you've completed that process, select Continue, and then it's going to bring you to this next page where you can set it up so you can see your old name so people can easily recognize you for 30 days, or you can just change it entirely. So once you've done that, you'll just have to select your payment method and go to Confirm Purchase, and your name will be changed. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.